So here is the solution. Question 1. How narrator wanted her diary to be? The answer is C. A good friend. Second one. Narrator has named her diary as Kitty. So this was easy one. Then these are the answers of vocabulary section. Vanta did not have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore faded blue dress that didn't hang right. It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. She did not have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. So let us see the figures of speech. 19. A noble wild beast greets you. यहाँ पर नोबल वाइल्ड बीस्ट को ह्यूमन क्वालिटी दी गई है क्योंकि एनिमल्स कभी ग्रीट नहीं करते, ह्यूमंस ग्रीट करते हैं, तो ये है पर्सोनिफिकेशन. एंड द स्टेयर्स विथ हिज ब्रिलियंट आईज एट द ब्रिलियंट स्टार्स. हियर B has been repeated, as you can see, so we can see that it is alliteration because B has been repeated. Then error correction. किस्सा गौतमी has on an only son. has की जगह पर had आएगा. died in his grave. तो किस्सा गौतमी है तो his नहीं आएगा, उसकी जगह पर her आएगा. she carried the died child. died की जगह पर dad आएगा. to all her neighbor की जगह पर neighbors आएगा. फिर पंक्चुएशंस आपको ढूंढ के निकालनी है या वो आउट ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक भी हो सकती है कभी. Fill in the blanks using the articles, conjunctions and prepositions at the correct place. Write the answers only. तो यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ आंसर्स नहीं लिखने हैं, पूरा लिखना है. ओके. I went and asked the woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. फिर से मैं बोलता हूँ, आपको ओनली आंसर्स नहीं लिखने हैं, वो ध्यान रखना. 44. उसमें द ट्रेन क्लैटर्ड इनटू मारियानी जंक्शन. तो पॉजिटिव तो नेगेटिव आएगा. डिडंट द ट्रेन क्लैटर इनटू मारियानी जंक्शन. इट्स रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ. इसका आंसर आएगा इट्स नॉट गेटिंग फेयर नाउ. Nobody noticed her absence again. इसमें आएगा her absence was noticed by anybody. Was not noticed by anybody. Sorry. 47. Not a leaf remained on the trees. मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए और अफर्मेटिव बनाना है, तो इस तरह से हो जाएगा the trees were without any leaves. Both young and adult fall into the power of death. तो इसका आएगा not only young but adult also fall into the power of death. इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, but also adult fall into the power of death. फिर यहाँ से राइटिंग सेक्शन स्टार्ट होता है. डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट रह गया वो देखते हैं. But the old woman went on with her drivel and asked if it was proper for such a young person to travel alone, and again asked if she knew exactly where she was going in town and what the street was and what the house number was. The girl replied with anger that she needed not bother about her, and added that she could take care of herself. Then Valli turned her face towards the window and staring out. So this was the solution of indirect speech. अभी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. 11 राउंड आपके पेपर के हो गए हैं, बहुत सारे पेपर्स लिखे. कुछ अभी भी आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हो. अदरवाइज ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन. थैंक यू.